Hi guys, it's AlphaBlue here, and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So guys, this is yet another daily Euro USD fundamental and technical analysis. So this is Euro dollar on the 15-minute time frame, and this is what the market looks like. Quite textbook, I must say. Imbalance, um, liquidity before the supply zone. Like a lot of confluences to make you want to believe in this sell, and it did happen. So let's look at it again. This is an area of supply or another block because it's very valid because look at the force that price used to leave this place. Look at the volume, then it left behind an imbalance, came induced liquidity here, gave us like an equal high, and then price came back up and then sold off from this supply zone. So now the truth is, yesterday I didn't place any trade yesterday. As textbook as this seems, I didn't place a trade on it because day before yesterday, Euro USD was being so annoying. This equal high formed on on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I was seriously buying this pair, expecting that the market was going to push up to this place because of all of these confluences. But that didn't happen. It just kept selling not until yesterday. So when it's sold all the way here, yesterday I just marked an area of liquidity here, expecting that the market will continue being bearish to take out this low. But that didn't happen. So I didn't even get into any of these buys, especially because the way the buy happened, there wasn't any like opportunity for me to get in based on my trading system. So I just let it go. So I just let it go. I saw the market pushing up. I wasn't even interested because it wasn't enticing to me. And you see this move that price came to tap this area here. It was actually created by the news. It was actually created by the news. So, and if you look at down here, why I say there was nothing really interesting for me was because as of yesterday, London session, this was where price was, London open. So this was a sell side liquidity that if only it was taken and price started pushing to the upside, I would have been interested in the market. So if only we saw price come down and wipe this area, take out this low and start pushing to the upside, I would have been okay. Price has taken out this low and is likely, going to continue to the upside to take out this equal high here. But that didn't happen. It just came, took out Asian low, came and just from here started pushing up. So when I saw this, I wasn't confident to start looking for buys because what if price still comes back down to take out this low? So that was why I was just leaving the market. And if you look, it was very efficient. The price just kept going very slowly until news came and then boom, it pushed it up to take out these equal highs. So that was just how it went yesterday. And I'm totally fine. Like I got no worries. I'm okay because it happens, it's not every trade, it's not every time you catch the move in the market. In fact, when you try to catch the move, every move, that's when you're likely gonna even take more losses because you can't, it's not possible. So after price has taken out this equal highs, now I can comfortably look for sales in this market. Like I can comfortably look for sales. So right now, price has tapped into the supply and is changing character to the downside nicely. So what I'm waiting for right now is to see that price goes up to take out some buy side liquidity before it continues selling. And I've marked out these two areas as my point of liquidity. So we have this week right here and also this week right here. So any one of them that price goes into and then takes it out and starts selling up, I'll wait for a minus change of character in the lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, and then I'll look to sell this market. So my target for today, either I'm going to be targeting, this is going to be the first target of which I believe is going to be taken out pretty much soon. So you can take profit here. Well, I'll take my profit here because I believe Once the market starts pushing down, we're likely going to see it push all the way to this point. So this is my two areas that I will be looking to take profit, here and here, but most likely here. Let me see how many pips this will give. 40 pips move. So fine, something that the market can do. So that's just basically the idea for Euro USD today. Like, wait for price, take out this place, starts changing character to the downside, then you sell. Wait for price to take out this place. Once it starts dancing around to the downside, you sell. Target either here or this place. So this is what I'm looking to trade today. So price may even come all the way to the top here before selling. Whichever one, you just react to what price does. Wait for it to do its thing, then you follow it. So whatever is, whichever side it wants to respect, whichever liquidity point it wants to get to, fine. So that was the idea for USD this morning. Now let's look at GBPUSD. GBPUSD is doing something quite different, and that is because there was GBP news this morning. So let's look at Forex Factory for that quickly. So Friday, the only high impact event today was this retail sales for GBP. So that was only this is the reason why GBP just started selling off very hard this early morning, because the news came out at around 7 a.m. So that's the reason why you see GU selling off this hard. So similar thing on GU. GU though, GU's price action has not been very clean for me. I've been expecting it to take out this liquidity here, but it didn't do that. Like, I was expecting to see a serious, like, push to the upside that will clear out all of these things. Then we start to see price sell-offs, right? But GU did not give us that. Instead, it has just been respecting this bearish order flow. This is the only, pretty much like the only liquidity that was swept this week right here. You can see it clearly. So this was like the only point in time where liquidity was cleared. Let me show you. Just right here, right? And even this one was not very, very nice. So this was the only time that liquidity was cleared, in my opinion, right? Now, price came here. Okay, you can argue that it took out this place as liquidity, as a liquidity sweep. Yes, this was liquidity sweep. But when you have a liquidity point like this, and you also have like some points above, you will want to see price just clear everything before selling off. But this was what it took and sold off, then came back, formed like a relative equal high here, even though it's not a very neat equal high, but still price didn't clear it, it still sold off. So this is my only issue with GU. The price action, liquidity is not like very clearly swept. But then we'll still trade it according to the order flow. As it is right now, it's, if this point doesn't get taken out, and price comes back up here to take out this liquidity, I'm going to look for sales. So I'm going to look for sales. And if you look, you see that there's like another block here. So anything will make price come back this place, anything that brings price back to this point, I'm going to look for sell on GU. And I'm going to target this as the first target, then this area as the second target, right? This week right here as the second target. So let's just see what GU does. Then, okay, also interesting, you see that this was like an equal high that price took out. Now look, ooh, actually, very, very clean equal highs. Very, very clean liquidity that price took. So I think I'm more comfortable now, knowing that there was a point where price swept liquidity on GU, and this is it right here. So having swept this liquidity now, I'm more comfortable that price will most likely not come back to break this high. You get? So in case you're not aware, liquidity sweep is what gives you more confidence that price will not come back to this area, or price will not come back to take out this high. You get? So because it has already cleared the liquidity here and has pushed to the downside. So you're more confident that even if price comes back here, it will likely not break this high because there's nothing to sweep again. All the liquidity has been swept. You get? So just have that at the back of your mind and work with that. That's why you see people take a trade and have like 2 pips stop loss, and you see the trade still go in their favor. It's all understanding liquidity, They understand that price at this point will not go below this place because it has already cleared the liquidity that there is. It has like now, the liquidity has been cleared and there are more sellers in this market. So it's going to be difficult for price to come back and break this high and form a new high, except if the order flow has changed. You get? So that's something for you to take home. So this is just my idea on GU. If GU comes all the way here, I'll look to sell it. So what I want to see is GU push up, come here, do some shakara, then sell off. So this is the idea for GU, right? But I don't know if GU will come all the way up here. I'm not sure if it will do that. But let's just see how it goes. There's an imbalance here, so making it valid. There's an imbalance here, yeah. So making this zone valid. Let's go to lower direct and see. Yeah, so this zone is actually a good zone to look to sell off from. It's actually a good zone. Let's just see if GU will come all the way here. If it does, then it will be a good opportunity to sell. Let's see how many pip movements will this be. Wow, 70 pips. Quite a lot. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. So that's it for GU. And let's see what the market does. But that's what I'm expecting. Euro-USD is kind of still like, buying. Let's see what it does. So that's it for today's analysis, guys. I hope this was helpful to you. If this was helpful to you, kindly like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to see you in the next one. Also, you can check the description of this video. You'll find the link to my Telegram channel where I drop my trades, my analysis, and some educational stuff every now and then. So check it out, guys. Cheers, and see you guys in the next one.